Automatic lifting phone case print tutorial. The ZP1 comes with a height adjustment function. Platform fade to the front will automatically raise. Place the phone case to be printed. The platform recedes and will adjust to the best print position according to the height of the phone case. Scan the device's QR code. Select the model you want to print. Upload your favorite pictures. Adjust the print position of the picture. Click on the image. Select the AI image. You can choose different styles. Order now. Click on the work to be printed on the computer. White shell on the left. Dark shell, transparent shell, choose the right side. Wait about 2 minutes. Printing is complete. You have your freshly baked phone case.